Hello, everyone. Good day. I want to seize this opportunity to thank you all for being on this platform as I launch my first Igbo picture book. How did I become an Igbo author? You know, sometimes I pinch myself. I even ask myself, Uju, what have you gotten yourself into? It just started with after I came out with my Facebook, um, Lion and Lionesses. I had pressure to write Igbo book. In fact, one of my friend, her name is Sifi Okani. She's an architect. She's in here in the States. She put so much pressure and said that they need books to teach our kids to learn how to speak Igbo. I resisted. Every time she would call me, she kept on pestering me. I said, okay. I started with, writing Lion and Lionesses into Igbo language. After that, she was telling me, oh, that the idea is that they need to learn how to speak it before they can read the story. I said, yes, ma'am, again. I started, that was how um, this Igbo book came about. The journey wasn't easy at all. And funny enough, though, it has not ended. Why was it hard? It's been years since I graduated from secondary school. Yes, I made A1 in Igbo because we did SS senior secondary. I did Igbo and it was compulsory. I did Igbo, I made that. That was the end of Igbo apart from the one that I'm speaking. I'm coming here because we don't speak Igbo often time. Many of it like kind of like is away. Now, when I faced with this challenge, I had to contact people in Nigeria. I had to do a lot of search online. I had to read a lot of books. As I'm talking to you, look at the books. Senior secondary. There are a lot of them. Look at them here. Yeah. All these books are what your sister is reading in order to get this job done. Many of us have shown concern about our children learning how to speak Igbo. The sad thing is that I also work as a substitute teacher. That way, it made me come across many of our Nigerian children at school. And when I see my Nigerian brothers or sisters and I will speak to them in Igbo, it looks as if I have given them a shocker. They don't even know what I'm talking about. That's sad. It's part of what fueled me. I said, okay, a hard thing is someone that has to do it. And anything that needs to get done, there should be sacrifice. I have plans for more things to do in my own little way to help our kids, even if for them to know how to greet in Igbo language, even if it's just for them to love the language, even if they don't speak it so fluently, but when they hear someone speaking it, they will not say, oh, this is my language. But let us remember, a journey of 1,000 miles starts with a step. Mine, I'm just doing the best I can. I appreciate all of you who are still on this platform. Trust me, there is no pressure at all. But my prayer is that God will bless each and every one of you, even if you don't do anything, for just staying with me and going with me through this journey. And may God bless our children. And may God give them the desire to learn our language. And may God bring all the resources and the energy and everything that we need to help these our kids to learn our language. Asikwa na afa mefu na aya nọzi afa ya efu. Kedu ka anyị ga-esi nọrọ na mmiri ncha aba anyị anya? Chukwu ekwekwana. Daalụ na ụmụnne m. Any idea, I'm open to it. Thank you all. Bye.